Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be talking about the effects of residue buildup in your washing machine. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the appliance that we'll be using in this demonstration. It's a GE. Keep in mind yours at home might look a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. So right here you'll see we have a drive block from a washing machine, and at the bottom you see how that metal is just completely eaten away. Rusty looking. It's got all this residue buildup on the outside of it. Over the course of about 5 years, according to the owner, a lot of washing and having stuff sit in the tub of the washing machine. For example, bleach, clothes that were cleaned but the water wasn't drained and so the detergent sat in there as well, caused that detergent and bleach and hard water to completely eat away at this drive block. So with this eaten away, a lot of water was able to get into other parts of the washer and leak through and damage those other parts as well. So on the inner tub of the washer here, you'll see this build up, and that's going to be a mixture of hard water and the detergent, and possibly just even using too much detergent. And you might also see there's a couple of wood chips in there. That isn't from washing it. That's actually for me trying to knock out this shaft right here, and I couldn't get it out because the shaft, where you can't quite see it anymore, is completely rusted, and with the hard water damage and the damage from too much detergent and bleach going in there and leaking down into there, the metal is corroded and it's basically locked into place where it is right now. And you can even see we got creative in our tools when just a hammer and 2x4 wouldn't do the trick when we were trying to knock this shaft out. So you'll also see around the edge of this shaft there's a seal right there, and this seal is very, very damaged. It's allowing water to actually leak down from the shaft and then onto the transmission, which caused the transmission to get rusted up. And you can see with this screwdriver here, I'm scraping it off. It almost seems like it's paint on there with how crusted on it is. And you'll see just flakes right off. The original owner of this says that a lot of times that bleach and detergent laundry would be sitting in the tub and just left it there. So over time, the mixture of bleach, hard water, and detergent ate through this thing, which was, it's not supposed to go in there like that as it is, but you'll see because the bottom of this actually lines up with that seal there, and so with that eaten away, the water could get right in underneath all that, eat the seal, and then leak down onto our transmission. So inside of this you'll see the inner tub. This is the shaft that goes from the inner tub and goes down to the transmission as well. And you can see that build up over there again of all the hard water and detergent there. And then this is our gear case and transmission and motor over there. And you'll see on the gear case there's a bit of oil on there. That's from, again, the water coming down. The shaft has some oil on it and it'll drip down and then get all over the transmission there. But this also looks as if it had been underwater for quite a bit of time. And I asked the owner if their basement had ever flooded, which they said it didn't. So this is all caused by water just coming down slowly and over time corroding all this metal and damaging it. So what else happens if you use too much laundry detergent? It can leave stains or residue on your clothing. Your laundry might not drain properly, and that'll cause you to have to keep it in the dryer longer. It might actually increase your water usage because the water will detect those suds, and your washer will add an extra rinse cycle in order to get those suds out of your washer. That could also cause more wear and tear on your washing machine's pump and motor because the washing machine has to work extra in order to get those suds out. One fact about chlorine bleach is that it's a very strong base, so the stuff that you have in your house is very corrosive and damaging to metals. That's why As you can see in the washer that we've got here, we've got a piece of basically what was solid metal once and had a little bit of weight to it, is completely eaten away and weighs almost nothing now. And finally, don't leave bleach sitting in your machine. Bleach will destroy everything. It's not a very friendly chemical. It can burn holes in your clothes as well as discolor it, and as you see here, it eats through metal. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.